I can make evil Saitama and gacha. Saitama and gacha line. Okay. Back hair. Back hair. 1200 and 490. Sleeve. 1100 and 627. Shirt. 1200 and 541. Pants 1. Shoe 4247. Scarf 1000 and 552. Eyes 2. Eyebrows 17. Mouth 1200 and 305. $1,200 and $934. Cape 320. Okay, and yeah, no, you're not finished. Hat 89. I used that for his bald shiny head. Anyway, here's the color for skin color, back hair color. Pause and copy it. Here's the color for shirt, cape, the color for gloves, and the color for belt. Pupils 999, and that's black. Eyes white. Eyebrows 17. Wait, no, you're not finished yet. Nose 2573, and it's the same, and it's the same color, and you're finished.